Hello, I have with me Mr. Sanjeev Jindal. He is the Regional Executive Director of Airport Authority of India. He is the person who is in charge of all the airports across the northeastern states, and from him we will get to know about the arrangements that has been done as the passenger flights resume from today. Mr. Jindal, a warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Would want to know, since after a long gap, the operations of passenger flights have started. So, how many flights have come in and the arrangements that have been put in place?
Actually, we were waiting for this time
Right.
because we are from the aviation sector. Our prime job is to serve
Yes.
by operating flights. We were waiting for that. The government of India took
Hmm.
decision that flights to start from 25th,
Yeah.
that is today.
Yes.
But much earlier,
Hmm.
we were in a process. There was series of meetings and video
Right.
conferencing and series of SOPs were
Hmm.
issued by Government of India, Ministry of Civil Aviation, and as per those standard procedures, we were preparing all our airports
Okay.
so that we, from the corona point of view,
You're right.
that we handle the passengers with best possible ways,
Okay.
and we all we provided all kind of minimum touch,
Hmm.
almost touch free
Yeah.
this
Like entry and
operations.
exit.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. So almost
So wherever,
contactless.
yeah, yeah, wherever there was a possibility of mixing,
Yeah.
like screening and
Right.
even checking the tickets and boarding and stamping the boarding pass,
Right.
those all stakeholder, they all met together and we find out the alternate ways how without stamping even the boarding
Yeah.
card we
Right.
can allow. So
Okay.
all those things are well in place in all the northeast
Airports.
airports. Yeah.
Right, right. So as far as the Guwahati airport is concerned, how many flights have come in since morning today?
Yeah, today the expected operations are for eight number of flights,
Okay.
and the flights are mainly from Bengaluru
Mm-hmm.
and Delhi.
Okay.
And uh, so far, I think four flights have already landed and taken off.
So on a regular day, this airport handles how many?
Yeah, more than 130 flights.
Okay, over
Yeah,
130. And today, as the first day post COVID lockdown, this airport is handling about eight
eight. Yeah.
flights coming in. So, what about the other airports? Which are the other airport? All airports
We
operational at
have
this
in
point of
Northeast
time?
region, we have around 12
Mm-hmm.
working airports
Yeah.
where operations are on. We all are ready.
Right.
All airports are ready with
Okay.
reference to a minimum touch
Yeah.
or touch-free
Mm-hmm.
operations. Whatever is to be provided, and that all everything has been provided. The latest possible thing
Okay.
already provided.
All right.
But because of the restrictions
Mm.
in West Bengal, Kolkata, due to
Mm.
the cyclone, probably
Yes.
they were not. This decision was jointly taken.
Mm-hmm.
So up to 27th,
Yeah.
to the best of my knowledge, only two airports, Guwahati and Imphal, they are having the flights, and after 28th, almost all the airports should have the flights.
Okay. So at the moment, only Guwahati and the Imphal airports
Yeah,
of Northeast
yeah.
are operational. What about when passengers come in? What are the arrangements like? How are things happening? Anybody landing? After that, what's happening?
Ah, yes, yes. So, inside the aircraft,
Mm-hmm.
all precautions are being taken.
Right.
Mask as well as sanitizers are being given by uh,
The
airlines.
airlines. Yes.
Then there is a restriction for the hand baggages and wristed baggage also
Right.
for the time being.
Yes.
So there is not much, luggage
Hmm.
also.
Hmm.
At the starting point,
Hmm.
all the luggages are being sanitized,
Okay.
and then aircraft is also being sanitized
Right.
very well.
Mm-hmm.
Then when they come out,
Hmm.
they and use the PVB or
Hmm.
airport
Hmm.
premises,
Mm-hmm.
there are suitable signages. Each and every person
Hmm.
of his arrival
Mm-hmm.
on his arrival is being screened
Right.
for any kind of symptoms,
Yeah.
and they have to fill one declaration form also.
Okay.
So at the time of booking,
Mm-hmm.
or if somebody has not filled it, then
Yeah.
they can fill it at airport also.
Yeah.
Then they collect the luggage.
Mm. Mm.
Luggage are being collected from the
Mm.
belt, that too with this proper suitable marking of physical
Okay.
distancing. We have provided marking
Right.
around belts also,
Mm-hmm.
everywhere in fact, not
Mm.
only at belt. Clearly signages are available,
Yes.
and informative signages are also available.
Okay.
And after the
Mm-hmm.
collection of luggage, their luggage, they are directed to meet their respective destination states.
Oh, like if I'm traveling to Guwahati and then going ahead to say
Yeah,
Shillong or any part of Meghalaya, then I'll have to go and meet the respective state officials.
yeah, and those all counters are well managed and
Right.
are available at Guwahati airport. So they can go there, because some states they need ILP, some
Right.
states they need
Yes.
other formalities.
Mm-hmm.
So they take over their arriving passengers. Each
Right.
state will take over their arriving passengers,
Yes.
and they will, after taking over, they will take them to their respective quarantine center
Okay. Yeah.
for to meet their
Mm-hmm.
protocol as per their state guidelines.
Right. Right. Is there kind of a rush, and what kind of passenger? I assume it must be only those people who have real urgent need. They must be the ones traveling at this point of time.
I feel first of all rush. There is
Mm.
no rush at all, because
Right.
in any case, a number of flights are very less,
Mm.
and we have deputed more and more number of our helping hands also. So
Yes.
there is no rush at all. There
Mm-hmm.
is no inconvenience,
Mm.
and absolutely from that angle, there is no issue. We
Right.
can definitely handle more and more number of flights.
Okay.
Initially, we were ready to
Mm-hmm.
handle one third of the flights, right? Around 50 flights we can handle. This
Okay.
this was decided,
Yes.
which should very soon after 20th,
Mm.
when restrictions from the other states are
Yes. Relaxed.
relaxed, then probably we'll get more flights in northeast region also. And government of India has special is keen to operate more number of flights
Okay.
in northeast region if it is needed.
Okay.
Then next is what was the next?
So also about the other
Yes,
arrangement.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah. So next is about the type of passengers.
Mm-hmm.
What I feel, if we see
Mm.
from the statistics,
Mm.
uh, the flight booking point of view, the arriving passengers in Guwahati are approximately say 90%
Yeah.
occupations. With 90% occupations, the flights are coming.
Mm-hmm.
There are some airlines whose booking was not so much, so
Right.
they cancelled also.
Okay.
But many flights, whatever flights, whichever
Yeah.
flights are coming, they are coming with almost 90% capacity.
Yeah.
Outgoing passengers are less; they are not more than 50% capacity.
Okay.
Now, what I think, because every state have their
Mm.
has their protocol with reference to quarantine,
Right.
so I think the mostly passengers which are arriving
Mm.
are the passengers who were standard passengers,
Right.
maybe due to medical
Mm.
treatment, or
Mm.
maybe due to any reason.
Mm-hmm.
So they want to come to their native place. So I
Yes.
think mostly 90% should be
Yeah.
the these kind of passengers. Outgoing in the same way, standard passengers,
Mm.
standard people from other states, other part
Mm-hmm.
of the India, they 90% should be from those only, or people who want to join their duty.
Okay.
They were here, they got stuck up, and they want to join their
Mm.
duty.
Mm-hmm.
So these kind of I think that is the right way also. We
Right.
should encourage the standard people to
Move
go to
first.
their
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
that is the right way also.
So, sir, post 28th, we might see more flights and more destinations getting connected with Guwahati and the rest of Northeast.
Yeah, definitely, yes. Actually, connection from Kolkata is most important,
Right.
because our every airport
Mm.
is connected with Kolkata only. A number of flights they
Mm-hmm.
come through Kolkata.
Right.
Even if from some flight is coming from Chennai, they come via Kolkata. So connection, most of the connections are via Kolkata. So once the Kolkata is opened, then our we will witness more and more connection with Mumbai, connection with Chennai, Hyderabad, almost everywhere,
Every
Bhubaneswar,
destination.
everywhere. Yeah.
Right, right. All right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
speaking to Sentinel.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.